I said it. Hold on, let me get the note.
This is actually very easy. So apparently, me and Coleman got all of your requests to make another burping vid.
Burping. Yeah.
Coleman, show us your mad skills. Belch boxing.
Belch boxing, yeah!
Here, Coleman, have a completely miscellaneous item. Have another completely miscellaneous item that has no relation to anything in this entire video at all.
If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
Ow.
Ah! Yes, I caught the wrench. What's now?
Prepared. Pencil missile number 1. Pencil missile number 2 and 3. Oh my god, look at the snake! Snake!
Hey!
Oh, epic fail.
Snake. Hey, baby. Oh, yeah.
Alright, Coleman, show us your mad singing skills. Now a song by Coleman Rose.
Hold on, ready?
What?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star?
Oh, I wonder how we will go.
I don't think he knows the words of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Hey, Coleman, who's behind you?
Hey, sexy.
Hey, sexy? Don't you mean Faye from Cowboy Bebop?
Oh, yeah. Sing it. Ah! It's a robber!
Oh, dear Jesus.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, help me! Oh, Robert!
Hold key sharpener.
Oh, God! Oh!
Hey, Robert, can you burp?
Yeah.
Oh, God, it sounds like you were gonna throw up.
Oh, I love doing these videos.
Hey, this is supposed to be a burping vid. You need more burping. In your pocket. Oh, I missed.
I am. And I.
Don't get anything on my laptop. I think everyone is completely disturbed. If not, then you are insane.
Welcome to my world.
Hey, wait a minute, Robert. You act a lot like my brother Coleman Rose.
That's because.
Oh wow, Robert. Ninja Star. Whoosh.